Purdue Aviation Day 2024 is sponsored by Envoy Air. This year we are proud to host the A-10 demonstration team at the event, as well as numerous exhibitors and sponsors. We also have guest speakers, flight sims, youth activities. So there's really something for everyone in the family to enjoy, as well as the local Lafayette community.
The Air Operations Recruitment Team is here today in our brand new Embraer 175 to really showcase what a day in the life of an airline pilot here at Envoy is all about. Purdue Aviation Day started originally back in 1911, but we brought it back in 2016. It was a group of students we got together to really put on what we thought would just be a fly-in, and has really morphed into the event that it is today. I worked with a great team when I was here as a student at Purdue for about 3 years before I came over here to Envoy. So to be able to bring this aircraft back to an event I put so much effort into while I was a student is pretty incredible.
Envoy 9897, your clear visual approach runway 28.
My favorite part about this event is that I think this is the best type of networking for college-age students.
We're participating in career fairs and encouraging students to intern for us in the summer and then come to work with us after graduation.
Purdue Aviation Day was really founded on providing the entire public, not just students, a really rare opportunity to see what the day in the life of an aviation professional really is all about, to get up close to these aircraft and look, smell, touch of what it's really like to be a pilot, aviator, anyone in the industry.